In today's video, I will teach you how to create a printable flyer for your pest control business in Canva. Let's get started. Now that we've made a logo for our pest control business, it's time to make flyers to advertise your business. First, open Canva and in the home page, type in the keyword business flyer on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the hundreds of available printable flyers for pest control business in Canva's template library. Canva offers different styles as well as color schemes for different brands. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the Create a Design button at the top panel and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. The most common flyer size is 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the size of a standard piece of paper. Larger flyers can be 11 by 17, and smaller flyers can be 5.5 by 8.5 inches. Once you've opened your canvas or template, you can now customize your flyers based on your preferred design. If you would like to be more precise with your work, you can enable the guidelines, print bleeds, and margin on the File tab. To add images and brand elements, you can simply open the Uploads tab to import the images from your computer. In case of the elements, you can add illustrations and graphics from the Elements tab. Simply search the keyword for different types of elements. In case of your pest control business, Canva has a vast collection of elements under the pest control keyword. To add text, simply open the Text tab and select which type of text you would like to make, or simply use the text combination presets in the text library. And on the top panel, you can change the font style, the font size, and the color of the text. Make sure you include your brand colors and logo, eye-catching images and illustrations, an attention-grabbing title, and just enough text to get your point across. Make sure to also add your contact information like your website, email, and phone number. Finally, to save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the right format for your file. I highly recommend either using PNG or JPG as a file format. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.